G'day collectors, guess what time it is? It's unboxing time. Right, let's get into it. If you haven't seen these before, my name's Greg. I'm the Research and Development Manager here at Authentic Collectables. And then when we get a container down, the factory like to send us a little bit of a package via air freight of the cars that are actually coming in the next container. And this is what we've got going on in front of us. We just like to show you guys what's coming. This is the first time we actually get to have a look at the cars that are coming down. We'd like to take you along for the ride, so let's go visors down and rip into it, shall we? There's no blade in it. What the fuck? Well, that was a little bit more exciting than I'd like it to be. A few little thoughts on that one. Grabbed the old box cutter and there's no blade in it, so we had to go and send Ben to go and grab one so I could get these things open. Also, every single one of these boxes has damage on the outside. Looks like our courier's been drop punting the cars around, so to see that Sprintcar had lost a wheel was a little bit exciting. But as you can see, they're just a press fit, so it's not a big deal if they do jump off. You can pull them off if you want to at a later date, if you want to modify the cars or do whatever. Yeah, it's just press on, press off, so not a big deal. Anyway, now that we've got that done, let's get stuck into the cars. I feel like we'll do the supercars first and then we'll get to the sprint car at the end. What do you reckon? Okay, here we have the 2024 Grove Racing cars as driven by Richie Stanaway and Matt Payne. So we've based these on the NTI 500 round in Townsville. The reason for doing that is this is Matt Payne's race 14 winner livery. These cars actually look really cool because it's a mixture of that matte and gloss finish on the cars that they actually did at the time. I really like the way the Grove cars look. It's something different. Definitely if you're a bit of a fan of either Richie or Matt, get in and grab these cars. We're going to be doing a few more of these over the next while. So yeah. Definitely a good start to the Grove Racing / Penrite Racing collection. Yeah, let's go and have a look at another one. So this is something a little bit different that Blanchard Racing team were doing in 2023, which is the Red Arc Red Mustang, as driven by Bathurst winning Todd Hazelwood. As you probably know, Blanchard Racing team cars are generally that wonderful Boracay blue, but they decided to go a bit different for the Adelaide 500 and did a red one. I think it's cool just because it's something different. Obviously, it's cool because it's Todd driving it as well. Definitely a bit of an interesting change of pace for BRT. There's not many of these that we're actually doing, so if you're interested, you better get in quick because there's only a few of these kicking around. I think we're under 100 on this. Yeah, now let's go and have a look at something dirty. Right, here's something cool. So those of you who were aware at the time when High Limit International was kicking off here in Perth, we actually had cars on track for this. And obviously when you're doing something like that, you have to get the car sorted out before time, and there's always going to be, you know, sponsor changes and a few bits and pieces that you don't get right, but we had cars on track and that's how it goes. And lo and behold, Kyle Larson actually won the thing and ended up with a 100 grand cheque in his back pocket as well. And we went, oh, we've got to do something cool with this because the car looked so cool dirty. We went and did a dirty version. So this is as the car was raced over that series. We've also got the #1 pit board, which is kind of a cool thing. That's actually photo etched metal. It's not plastic or anything like that, which is kind of mint. And then when you get your certificate, if you look in the certificate wallet, you also get the $100,000 cheque as well, which we thought was a nice little Easter egg for anybody who's interested in that sort of stuff. The cars come out really cool. Trying to get the dirt to look realistic on these things can be a bit of a pain, but I think we've actually managed to jag it pretty well. Definitely a cool car to have in your collection. Even if you're not into sprint cars or anything like that, it's just something mint to look at. Yeah, grab one if you can. Right, that's it. Right, that's a bit of a small selection for what we've got coming in the next container. It should be here pretty soon, so keep your eyes out. Obviously, if you are interested in these things, basically go and see your stockist and make sure you've got a notification when it's coming. Also, if you're basically buying things through us, you will get a notification when the cars are about to be released. So, you know, get your wallet ready. And as always, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications when more stuff's coming if you want to keep up to date on what we've got coming through. And obviously watch all the other stuff that's on our channel as well, because that definitely helps us as well. Right, that'll do for now. In the meantime, keep collecting, and I'll see you on the next one.